check on the forecast for the day ahead. Looking back to yesterday first, though, Tuesday a bit more comfortable than the previous couple of days. Sounds like it's going to start getting a little more uncomfortable around here again, though, Michelle.
Yeah, the muggies are making a return, Patrick, as we take a look at our conditions this morning. 60s and 70s out the door. Another warm summer night for us. And we are squeezing in a nice sky here ahead of our sunrise as some clouds and showers are pushing our way. So it won't last for very long. Any sunshine that you see here first thing this morning. About 72 degrees outside right now in the capital city with a west-southwest wind at 3 miles per hour. So the clouds and the showers kind of knocking on our back door already this morning. They've been moving across Connecticut and going to be pushing into western Rhode Island here shortly, and then continuing their trek eastward through the morning hours. It's all tied into a warm front that'll be slowly lifting north today. There'll be intervals of clouds and some brighter skies returning for the afternoon, but you will want to make a plan for a brief interruption from a shower or even a rumble of thunder possible. The muggies are back leading our three key things. As far as that shower risk goes, we do have one over the next couple of days, today, tomorrow, and then on Friday, and then will lead to a warm weekend. None of these days are washouts, though. We're already seeing dew points on the rise, middle and upper 60s for the dew points in Providence down to the coastline. We're back up into that very humid category for today, then an oppressive feel for Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. Here's an hour-by-hour look at the forecast. This is at 8 o'clock in the morning. Mostly cloudy skies, temperatures still in the upper 60s and lower 70s in Rhode Island with a passing shower. By lunchtime, we're in the middle 80s in Providence, some upper 80s in Taunton, New Bedford in the middle 80s, and notice right along the coastline close to 80 degrees. And even into the midday hours, there may be an isolated shower around. Then our skies brighten up through the afternoon. Upper 80s expected in inland spots, coastal areas, upper 70s to around 80 degrees with winds today out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour in the afternoon. This is 6 o'clock in the evening. We're still in the lower 80s, inland 70s at the coast with mainly dry conditions. So when we factor in the rising humidity, it's still going to feel close to 90 degrees today. I want to dress for a warm and humid day. At the coastline, just brief shower. Most of the day is dry, partly to mostly cloudy, though, with a low rip current risk. Safe sun times about 20 minutes. Just a spot shower on the coast and in the bay. Winds taking that turn to the south, as I mentioned, staying at 5 to 10 knots. High tides 9:45 this morning. So let's take a look at the forecast for overnight tonight. Partly to mostly cloudy skies with a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. And then tomorrow we start off with mostly cloudy conditions. Skies brighten up, and we've got to watch for a couple of stronger storms at the end of the afternoon and early evening on Thursday. These will be hit or miss, but for those that do see one passing through, it could be locally strong or severe. Down in the tropics we go. A couple of systems that we're watching. One in the Gulf of Mexico, still pretty disorganized, but has about a 30 to 40% chance of developing over the next couple of days as it crosses the Gulf of Mexico. Looks like it'll be into the western Gulf by the upcoming weekend. We also have a tropical depression out in the Atlantic. This is tropical depression number 7, 35-mile-an-hour sustained winds. It is expected to strengthen to a tropical storm later today, and then from there it could be entering into the Caribbean late in the weekend and early next week. No immediate threat to land in the next few days. 7-day forecast to 86 today. How about that temperature tomorrow? Close to 90 degrees again with that risk of a shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening. A lingering shower possible Friday, a little cooler in the 80s, and then Saturday and Sunday looking warm and dry.